Let's first learn a bit more about pages. Pages are the main content holders of xamoom. To display a certain content at a certain location, pages are connected to spots, which are further connected to a physical location. This makes it easy to change the content quickly and update it on the fly.
Similar to spots, pages can be searched for via their name and further filtered depending on their status of published, unpublished, or garbage. To edit a page, simply click on it from the list, and to create a new one, click the New Page button in the top right corner. As you can see, the starting layout of a new page is very simple and only contains the basic information about it. The language of the page is first shown in the system language, but can be expanded on. This is suggested to be done after having added all the content and media that you want to have on the page. Title is shown at the top of an open page and is supposed to describe what the page represents. Excerpt should further describe the content in 1 or 2 sentences. And tags are used for personal distinguishing and keeping apart different projects and thematics. In the blocks found on the right side, there is the name of the page used for local use and distinguishing, and can be different from the title. Under it is the status of either published or unpublished. Here it is important to mention that only the published pages will be seen and found at spots in order to be assigned to them. Additionally, you can also choose an icon for the page, or again remove it at any point. These icons will be seen in the menu. Last, you can assign a cover image for the page. This you can do by clicking the Select File button. Underneath the general information, you can find a gray box with different content blocks. Clicking on this will create a new content of that type. Let's test it out by making a text block. Also here you can see title and the main text area. Let's name it Text Preview and add some text into the main block. You can see that this text already came with some formatting. If you want to completely remove any formatting, just mark the text that you want to edit and click the eraser icon. If you want to add your own formats, use the corresponding icons to make it however fits you best. The editing works very similar than most other text editing programs. Having added some information, let's go ahead and save our page. After having saved the page for the first time into our database, an arrow will appear next to the Update button, which will include the option of a preview. Note that when choosing the preview option, all of your changes will be saved as well. You can now see how your content would look like on a phone as well.
Knowing and understanding the functionality of the pages and their capability, go ahead and get creative by trying out different combinations. xamoom, joyful discoveries.